Good morning, students. Today we are going to cover the topic that is find and replace text. So what do you mean by find and replace text here? Sometimes you need to search a particular text or word in the document, or sometimes your situation requires the replacement of some text or word. So all word processor provide this find and replace utility that can be used for this purpose. Like MS Word is also providing this facility. We get this option in the Home tab. In the Home tab, the first tab, Home tab, and in the last group, that is the Editing group, we get this option Find and Replace. With the help of these two options, we can find any text in our paragraph, or we can replace a word with another word which we want to replace. So let's start doing with this. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to use the option find. So we will go to the Home tab. Then in the editing group, we get this option find. So click on this option, or the shortcut key also you can use, that is Ctrl plus F. Which is the shortcut key? Ctrl plus F. So after clicking on the find button or using the shortcut key command Ctrl plus F, you'll get this dialog box that is find and replace. So in this you will see three tabs are there: find, replace and go to. So we are going to use the tab, that is first tab that opens, that is find. Here we will type the word which we want to find in our document. Suppose I want to find the word insert. So I have to type the word insert, and then I'll click on the find next. I'll click on the option find next. Find next. So after clicking on this, you'll see the selected word, the word which I selected is insert, is getting highlighted. It changes into the blue color. That is, it is the selected text, and it is the text which I want to find. Got it? So similarly, if in your document you have more than 2-3 paragraphs and having the same word insert, so you just go to the option find next. Find next. Now you'll get this dialog box, word has finished searching the document. That means it does not have more particular word which you have searched. Okay, and you have to just find next again, you do, and then cancel. So this way you can easily find any particular word in your document. Now let's study what is replace. Now replace here means if you want to replace any particular text with any other word or any other text, you can easily do it. Like suppose, first we go to the option replace or Ctrl plus H. Ctrl plus H shortcut key. So like suppose instead of insert tab, I want to write here home tab. Instead of insert tab, I want to write home tab. The find word, it will first find the word which I want to change. Then replace with which word you want to replace? I want to replace with home. So you will use the option replace or replace all, because so if it has more than one time the same word, you will use the option replace all. All the words will be replaced. Yes, it has found 2 replacements, so yes. Okay, now we'll see home tab. Here it was insert, so now it is home. So have you got? This is all about find and replace. It's very easy to do in our document to find any word or to replace the word with another word.